Hello, everyone. How are you doing? I trust you're all doing great. James from JTS Maths Tutoring here. Today, we are going to be looking at a matrix equality. That is, we just want to find out if two given matrices are equal to each other. All right, before we actually look at the question, I want you to know that two matrices are said to be equal to each other if and only if they are of the same size and their corresponding entries are equal. For instance, if I have matrix A here with the entries A, B, C, D, and I've got a matrix B here with the entries E, F, G, H, matrix A is equal to equal. We can tell that A is a 2 by 2, B is a 2 by 2, fair and fine. The next thing, it means A is going to be equal to E. That is, this entry occupant of row 1 and column 1 should be equal to the entry occupying the first position in matrix B, which is also C must be equal, B must be equal to F, C must be equal to G, D must be equal to H. If that is the case, then we say that these two matrices are equal. All right, so let's get going. So I've got a question here, which I have taken. I've got a question here, which I have taken from Elementary Linear Algebra, application versions, the 11th edition by Anton and Rorres. And these questions, they're sitting under exercise 1.3. That is question 23 and question 24. Beautiful. So I'm given this here, they want me to solve the matrix equation for ABCD such that these two matrices are actually going to be equal. So remember what we have said, two matrices are said to be equal to each other if they are of the same size and their corresponding entries are equal. 3 is supposed to be equal to D minus 2C. Minus 1 is equal to D plus 2C. And A plus B is going to be equal to minus 2. So we have actually created equations there which we needed to solve. A is already equal to 4. Perfect. Find B. I'm just going to substitute in A is equal to 4 into this last equation. By so doing, I'll get B as minus 6. From my second equation here, I can make D the subject of the formula. All right. So D substitute that D is equal to 3 plus 2C into this third equation. By so doing, my C is going to be equal to negative 1. So I'm going to substitute C is equal to negative 1 into either equation 2 or 3, or this. No. If I substitute it in here, I'm going to find, yes, this equation which I have right here. Boom. There we are. D is equal to 1. So for these two matrices, 2, 4, B is going to be equal to minus 6, C is going to be equal to minus 1, and D is going to be equal to 1. Boom. Done. Right. Let's look at this second question here. All right. So A minus B is going to be equal to 8. B plus A is going to be equal to 1. 3D plus C is going to be equal to 7. 2D minus C is going to be equal to 6. All right. Thus, A is going to be equal to B plus 8. I can substitute in A is equal to B plus 8 in equation 2. I'll be able to find my value for B. All right. So if we do so, 2B here, you've got your 8 here, transpose it to the other side, it's going to be minus 7 over 2. Sub in that B is equal to minus 7 over 2 into either the first or the second equation, you get A is equal to 9 over 2. From the third equation, B, 7 minus 3D. Sub that one into the fourth equation, you get your D right there. D is going to be 13 over 5 into either, oh my God, what did I do here? Find that you see it's actually equal to what? I used to actually verify all these calculations which I'm doing right here. So when you are, it must be top notch. Otherwise, it's going to be very easy for you to make some mistakes. They take note of your signs and all that kind of thing so that you actually get the correct answers. So we are saying for the second given matrices to be equal to each other, A must be equal to 9 over 2, B must be equal to minus 7 over 2, C must be equal to minus 5 over 4, and D must be equal to 13 over 5. I'll leave it for you guys to verify all those algebraic manipulations which I was doing right there. Boom. This is what I had for you today, guys. Till we meet again, don't do what Mama and I wouldn't do. She's just calling me right now to eat pap right now, so I have to go. But be rest assured, till we meet again, we are committed to keeping you mathematically informed. Like, share, comment. If there's any easier way of doing these things, let us know in the comment section. If you have any other questions that you would want us to look at together, please feel free to share them in the comment section. Adios, amigas and amigos. See you soon.